Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Outlook on iPhone. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, unlock your iPhone and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the App Store and tap the Search tab at the bottom. Type Microsoft Outlook in the search bar and select the official app from Microsoft. Tap Get or the download icon and wait until the app finishes installing. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Microsoft Outlook. On the welcome screen, tap Get Started to begin the setup. If you already have an email shown, tap Add Account if you want to use a different one. Tap the option to add an email account when you see the account selection screen. Carefully type your Outlook email address, such as name@outlook.com or name@hotmail.com. Tap Add Account or continue to move to the password screen. Enter your password exactly as you created it, paying attention to uppercase letters. Tap Sign in to attempt logging into your account. If you see a Microsoft prompt asking for confirmation, follow the on-screen instructions. If two-step verification is enabled, enter the code sent to your phone or Authenticator app. If you are asked to approve a sign-in request, approve it on your trusted device. When prompted about permissions, tap Allow so Outlook can send notifications if you want alerts. If iOS asks to access contacts or calendar, choose Allow or Don't Allow based on your preference. Wait a moment while Outlook syncs your inbox and sets up your account. Tap Inbox to confirm that your emails are loading properly. If you do not see new emails, pull down on the inbox screen to refresh. To add another account, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap the Add Mail Account button and repeat the same sign-in steps. If you type the wrong password, tap Re-enter Password and try again carefully. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and follow Microsoft's recovery steps. If the app keeps failing, check that your date and time are set to automatic in iPhone settings. If you are using a work or school account, you may need to complete company security setup screens. To keep your account secure, enable Face ID or passcode lock for your iPhone. Finally, send yourself a test email to confirm you can receive and send messages normally. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.